Socotra Island, Earth's alien island tucked away in the Arabian Sea. Far from the global spotlight, lies a strange and wondrous island that looks like it belongs in a science fiction novel rather than on our planet. This is Socotra, part of an isolated archipelago belonging to Yemen. Often described as the most alien-looking place on Earth, Socotra has earned its nickname thanks to its surreal landscapes, otherworldly plant life, and an ecosystem found nowhere else in the world. Socotra is not just an island, it's a time capsule. Its geographic isolation for over 20 million years has allowed evolution to take a path untouched by the outside world. As a result, more than 1/3 of its plant species are endemic, meaning they grow only here. For scientists, conservationists, and curious minds, this makes Socotra a natural treasure, a living laboratory of biodiversity. One of the most iconic sights on the island is the dragon's blood tree, an umbrella-shaped tree with a thick, exposed canopy that looks like a mushroom or alien parasol. When its bark is cut, it bleeds a deep crimson sap known as dragon's blood, which has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, dye making, and rituals. These ancient trees aren't just strange in appearance, they are perfectly adapted to Socotra's arid climate, capturing moisture from the misty mountain air and funneling it to their roots in the dry soil below. Their unique structure is a direct result of evolutionary pressures that exist only in this remote ecosystem. Alongside the dragon's blood trees grow other bizarre species, like the desert rose, with a thick bulbous trunk and bright pink flowers, and the cucumber tree, which astonishingly produces cucumber-like fruits. These species form part of a botanical heritage so rare that conservationists consider it a global priority. Socotra's uniqueness doesn't end with its flora. The island is also home to an array of endemic birds, reptiles, and insects that have adapted to its rocky mountains, caves, and coastal cliffs. You'll find the Socotra starling, Socotra warbler, and several species of sunbirds that do not exist outside the archipelago. The insect population is even more extraordinary. Over 90% of Socotra's reptile species and a large proportion of its snail species are endemic, some of which are still being documented. Many of these creatures look like relics from the age of dinosaurs, an eerie reflection of the island's ancient lineage. Though the environment may seem untouched, Socotra is also home to around 60,000 people who live in small villages scattered across the island. The indigenous Soqotri people speak their own language, Soqotri, a unique Semitic language that predates Arabic and is unwritten to this day. Their way of life is shaped by the rhythms of nature. Many live by fishing, goat herding, and harvesting frankincense, continuing traditions that have endured for centuries, despite pressures from modernization.